Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today, we're also going to learn about an important task nowadays. It's on ChatGPT. So, we're going to learn about how to log in ChatGPT. Let's start. It's a very easy and simple task for all of us. First of all, we'll go to Google and write ChatGPT login. After hitting the enter, we will jump to the ChatGPT OpenAI platform. See, this is the whole platform, and the interface is very simple. We have to press start now. After I start now, ChatGPT is asking to log in. So we have to give login. Okay, press login. After login, ChatGPT will ask your email ID. So it will be convenient if we take our Google ID through it. So let's press Google ID account. Okay. Look, it's amazing. ChatGPT has already taken it and start to work with us. Thank you. Hope it was very helpful. See you in the next video.